will be taking a conservation matter seriously, and we will not relent in ensuring that Elgeyo Marakwet is back to its glory of going back to position 2 nationally and even position 1. And today we've started as Department of Water, Environment and Climate Change. We've gone back to now distribution. Last week we did a beneficiary identification in in Kamarin ward. That is about 20,000 seedlings avocado has variety, and today we went back to now distribution of same seedlings to the beneficiaries, and we know, and we've already taken our residents through a very rigorous process of how to take care of the same avocados, so that we can realize the benefits at the end of 2.5, 3 years. And today is because of the weather conditions of Kamarin ward favors avocado, and that is the reason why we decided to do avocado here.
Manufaa ya avocado yenye tunaenda kupokea wakati huu ni kwamba hizi inatusaidia sana kwa mambo ya economy, uchumi, kwa vile ni vitu yenye siko tunaweza panda kwa vile tuko mashamba ni available.
Na tukitigana na uheani wa